everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Katie Vine. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to go over the July 10-day experience packs. So this is the first month that I'm going to be offering a little bit something different. Typically I just offer 3 different flavors in my experience pack. So you would typically get 3 of the Keto OS Orange Dream, 3 of the Keto OS Chocolate Swirl, and then 4 of the Keto Max Maui Punch. So this month we are spicing things up a little bit because I really want all of those who are looking to get results using ketones, maybe while following the ketogenic diet or not. I really want you to be able to try all of the flavors. That's really going to open you up to what Prove It has to offer. And just to make sure that it's not boring, you know. When you're drinking this every day, once or twice a day, having the same flavor, you want to make sure you're really going to get something that you're going to enjoy. And so I think just with only offering the 3 options for flavors doesn't give you that ability. So let me go ahead and go through the run show here, and then I'll explain, if you don't know, what ketones are, why you need them in your life, and how to go about ordering them. All right. So first up, these are oldies. I'm just going to start off with how many we have in. I had these in the last packs, but just not as many. So you are going to get 2 of the Orange Dream, and then 1 of the Chocolate Swirl. So these ones in the white packs. So these are the Keto OS line. So what that means is these have more caffeine but fewer ketones than the Max version here. That we'll go over those in a second. So it just kind of depends on what you want. Typically you're going to want the more ketones because that means that you're going to stay in a state of ketosis longer than you would with these 2. So really quick, if you have any questions about what the keto diet is, if you're watching this and you really have no clue what keto is, I will go ahead and place above a link to my video where I talk about what the ketogenic diet is, and you can learn all about that there, what ketones are, what ketosis is, what the ketogenic diet means, how to follow it, everything like that. So next, again, same what I had in the last packs, but just the Maui Punch of the Max. And we've got one of just about everybody's favorite, but the Raspberry Lemonade, also in Max. The Swiss Cacao in Max, which is super chocolatey and so good. Also have, for summertime, the Max Splash, which tastes a little bit like watermelon and pineapple kind of mixed together. It's a lot lighter in flavor than what the other ones are, so it's almost just like a lightly flavored sweetened water. So it's really good, really refreshing. Also, another big favorite is the Heart Tart, which is kind of like strawberry candies, like strawberry Starburst. I couldn't even think of that. All right, so I have 2 other additions that are neither of those lines, and they're both so good. So the first one I want to touch on is the Keto Cream. So this is a functional fat technology product. So what you do is you would mix this up with your coffee, which is what a lot of people do. You could mix it in with tea or any other hot beverage, but it's really, really good with coffee. So this has so much to offer you. It has collagen. It has several different types of MCT oils, so medium chain triglycerides, which are some of the healthiest oils. MCT oils are like coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, stuff like that. So collagen also helps with the growth and the nutrition of your hair, skin, and nails. So who doesn't want that? It also has AC11, which is a DNA repairer. So essentially means you're going to reverse the effect of aging. So it keeps real nice lines, subtleness in your lines, just great overall. And it is so good. If you go to Starbucks every day, or even if you don't, you're going to have your little Starbucks in a cup with this. Literally just mix it up with black coffee. It's got, natural flavoring and like stevia in it to keep it sweet. It also has powdered milk in it to keep it creamy. So, and I'm a girl that loves my creamer, the sweetened creamer that you like the coffee made, and this trumps that. Last thing that is going to be in your 10-day experience is the Keto Comb. So the Keto Comb comes in the 60-hour reboot packages, which is a reboot. It's like a cleanse essentially for your system, but you're going to get this separately, so you don't even have to buy that. You can just get this separately within your pack. This is the chocolate flavor. So this is just as you would suspect. It's Kalm. So it's in the tea collection. It's not a tea. There's just tea supplements in it. So that's why it's called that. A lot of vitamins and other really great stuff that just gives you a calming, restful, peaceful feeling. So also has ketones in it. So, be calm and drink your ketones, right? Why not, right? There is no caffeine in this. So that's what the really great thing is in all of these other products, aside from the Keto Cream, there's caffeine in them. Prove It does offer packages or monthly subscriptions that are caffeine free. I just don't offer those ones. But this is caffeine free, so you can drink this at night and be burning your fat while you sleep because your body's full of ketones then. This is so chocolatey. So I actually use this as like a dessert. Just mix it with some almond milk, heat it up in the microwave, and it is so good. So you will want to get in on this because I'm going to change this up just about every month, offer a new little something in there, or maybe a double of something. I'm going to kind of take some polls on what you guys would like to see multiples of. Maybe instead of the Keto Cream, you want to have 2 of the raspberry lemonade, whatever it may be. So you can get those from me if you want to follow me on Instagram or Facebook, or I'll also leave my link down for the order page. You can also see more information on the ketones and what they are. But just a quick little snippet of what ketones are. So, Prove It ketones, their main ingredient is called beta hydroxybutyrate. So it's BHB salts. And they actually have a patent on that. It's no longer pending, so it's an actual patent. No other product on the market has it. So this was actually created by the U.S. Department of the Navy and then also Department of Defense, and was basically just a way to give energy without it being an unnatural source, without it being a big upper and then to totally bring you down or anything like that. It's very natural. It's a natural source, like I said. And so what this is going to do, you drink this every single day. You can drink it once a day or twice a day, but I suggest just starting out with 1 to see how your body reacts to it. If you need more, you need more. But you just mix it up with water, and it's going to give you focus, mental clarity, like I said, clean energy, so it's not the, like what you see in energy drinks kind of energy that you're getting. You are going to have clearer skin, you're going to sleep better, you're going to have a better mood. Let's see what else. I mean, if you're not sold yet, then come on, you've got to be sold already, right? And then also, like I said, fat burning. So this product works on burning your fat because it takes over what your glucose is doing. So instead of getting your energy from glucose, you're getting your energy from this. And instead of burning glucose, you're now going to be burning fat. So the salts in here, the BHB salts that are in this product, they bind to your fat cells and they work on diminishing that. and then you go through drinking water, and then it just whooshes it right out of your system. So a little bit more about that, you can check out my video on what the whoosh effect is if you have any questions on that. But feel free, again, ask questions down below. Reach out to me on social media, and then also click the link where you can order and see more on how this product works. Hey everybody, so I'm just jumping back on. So after I created this video, I decided I really wanted to give you guys some sort of a nice discount for the month of July. So I am hosting a Christmas in July sale. So any of the 10-day packs that you purchase from my link below in the description box will be $10 off of that price. So it's already going to be built in. You'll just pay the price that pops up. And if you have any questions, again, just leave your comments below or contact me through one of my sources below, either through email, Instagram, or Facebook.